How can a pure dry sample of copper sulfate crystals be obtained from copper carbonate and sulfuric acid? Okay, from your solubility rules, you know copper carbonate. Carbonates are insoluble, so it is a solid, an insoluble solid. So the method for this experiment is exactly the same as the method for the core practical, making copper sulfate crystals from copper oxide and sulfuric acid. And this gets tested all the time. You can see what two questions here because we've had two questions in subsequent years on the GCSE examination. I'm not writing the method out again because it is exactly the same method as the one above. The only thing I will say is instead of taking excess copper oxide, we will take excess copper carbonate. Other than that, the method is absolutely identical. Add it to the sulfuric acid, filter out the excess copper carbonate, heat the copper sulfate crystals to evaporate the water, stop heating before all the water has evaporated, cool and crystallise what's left, the residue, dry the crystals between filter papers. That is the method. All these questions on ayleshamhighchemistry.com.